The national.
Please, if you hear me, please step forward. Come to the next page, please. You step forward. Sign this is
Admiral Ibas, CFR, cabinet here present. Delegates about to be sworn in, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, for chairman and members of the River State Primary Healthcare Management, Lakal Saram, Mrs. Anne Obomanu, Professor Grace Robin Asetuomi, Dr. Mike Alagala, Mr. Dagogo Alabo, Ms. Carmen Letare, Mr. Clifford Paul, Elder Luke Husan, Mr. Ro.
Of the River State Primary Health Care Board. Gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is with great enthusiasm that I inaugurated the River State Primary Health Care Board today, as we affirm this administration's unwavering dedication and commitment to improving the health and well-being of the people of River State, particularly at the grassroots. Primary health care remains the foundation of every effective and sustainable health system. It is the first line of defense in disease prevention, the most accessible means of care for the majority of our population, and the most cost-effective way to deliver health outcomes that matter. We must therefore ensure that this level of care is given the attention, structure, and resources that it deserves. The HO referral system must be restored. This board has been entrusted with the enormous task of coordinating regulating and revitalizing primary health care across the 23 local government areas of our state. Your responsibilities go beyond administration. You are to lead the delivery of life-saving health interventions, which include maternal care, child immunization, malaria control, family planning, and other community health services in every community, ward, and household across the state. You are to ensure that every facility under your care is adequately staffed, properly equipped, and fully operational. You must focus on human capacity development, timely safely delivery, and community trust building. In all your operations, you must be guided by data, integrity, and compassion. There must also be incentives that encourage health professionals to serve in our remote facilities. On our part as government, we are putting in place a funding mechanism with timely budget releases and support for operational needs. We are also working to integrate the board's operations into the larger healthcare structure in the state by integrating all healthcare agencies and service providers into an ecosystem that harnesses each other's mandate under the law in a manner that guarantees better outcomes for the overall well-being of our people. Necessary resources will be provided and must be used prudently and transparently. As you take on this noble task, I urge you to place service to humanity above personal interest. Let this new beginning reflect in improved health indicators, community satisfaction, and ultimately save lives. We must commit to attain the standards that guarantee affordable health care for everyone in this state. Let this board become the bridge between government commitment and the well-being of the people of Rivers State. Once again, I congratulate you all. Thank you and God bless.